dissertation.
Now, thank you for your gracious presence today. Your patience and participation have made this event truly memorable. It has been a privilege for us to serve as your Master of Ceremony, guiding us through today's meaningful activities. Your enthusiasm and engagement have made our role a joy. We look forward to more opportunities to come together and make a positive impact. Thank you once again for being part of this special event.
Thank you for your active participation, your thoughtful contribution, and your unwavering dedication to this noble profession. Together, we are not just a student, but the future of healthcare. Let's go forward with confidence, empathy, and a commitment to excellence. Here's a future where our collective efforts bring hope, healing, and humanity to the forefront of nursing. Thank you, and let's continue to strive for greatness in all that we do. And remember, every patient we encounter is a story waiting to be understood. Every challenge, an opportunity for growth. The lesson we've embraced here will guide us in making a tangible difference in the lives of those who care for.
Once again, I am Sharika Escobar Moises,